Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to download Betika app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. In order to download Betika app in your mobile phone, go to the browser. You can see the search bar, type in Betika official app. Now tap the first link. You can see the option download for Android. Click the option. Now tap the download button. After that, tap the install button. While installing or downloading the app, make sure to have a strong internet connection. Betika mobile app is a fast and convenient platform for online betting and accessing all services provided by the bookmaker. Once the app gets installed, you can open the app. Click the open button. To operate this app, first you need to choose your country. After that, you need to log in your account and then you can easily use this app. This is how you can quickly download Betika app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys with another interesting videos. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.